Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your FYP what you want on TikTok. The first thing you will need to do is open TikTok. Once in the app, you want to go on your profile page. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And you're going to select Settings and Privacy. By the way, there are two ways to do this. This is just the first option I'm showing you right here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Content Preferences. And you're going to tap on Filter Video Keywords. And by the way, as you can see right here, any keyword that you type in, you won't see that in any video on your For You or following feeds. So you can simply tap on Add Keyword. And you can add any keyword you want right here. Then you can choose to filter it from your For You or following, or you can tap on both. Then you'll simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you will go back and you can go into your TikTok home feed now. Another way how you can also edit your FYP page on TikTok, whenever you see a video that you're not interested in, you can simply press down on the video, then you will see the option Not Interested, and by tapping on Not Interested, you'll see fewer videos like that. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.